Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel drivinglessonscork.ie. This is Keevin White here. We're just going to have a little video today on some car accessories that you might find useful. It's important to have some good car accessories in the car with you when you're driving, especially for a long journey. You should always plan for a long journey of what you need. Now, the first item we're going to look at is a car fire extinguisher. Look, one always hopes one would never have a fire in a car, but who's to say what's going to happen? And even if you don't have a fire in your own car, you might often come across a situation where there's a fire in somebody else's car. Might never happen, and hopefully it never happened to anybody, but there has been a few fires where I live the last couple of years, and a fire extinguisher for those cars might have been handy. If they're only small fires, I suppose you could have a go at them. Otherwise, if it's a big fire, well, you might want to maybe call the emergency services, but to have a little fire extinguisher can be handy sometimes. This one here is from Shield Protect. It's just a nice, handy little fire extinguisher, and it would put out most little fires in cars. The second product we're going to look at is a first aid kit. Again, another safety feature in the car. Every car should maybe have a little first aid kit with them. Again, you never know when you might need a first aid kit. Might be for yourself, someone in the car, somebody in another car. This particular first aid kit can be brought in a person's rucksack, if you're going camping, whatever, as well. It's fairly compact. There's a lot of stuff in it. There's about 130 pieces in it. Can be brought along from use in the marine too if you're boating. A little few images there where it can be stored in a vehicle. So it's not huge, but there's a lot of pieces in it, and it can be stored away fairly easy. There's another example now of the parts that are in it. So it's a useful little first aid kit, and you never know when these things come along, and they can be very handy. And then the next one we're going to look at is, sorry, we looked at that already. We're going to try this. It's actually a foot pump. Now, you never know when a foot pump could come in handy too. You might, a lot of cars nowadays, they tell you when you have a little dash light comes on if you have a little low pressure in some of your tires. So if you have a foot pump with you can just go out and pump up the tire a little bit, and it'll get you to where you want to go, hopefully. Even if that's just only to the nearest tire changing company locally. It might just get you there and get you over that little trouble you have with a tire. The foot pump can be used for footballs, basketballs, cars, as we're saying, swimming, I suppose little rings you'd call them, motorbikes, balloons, bicycles. So there's quite a range of applications for this particular foot pump, and it's a handy one to have. There's the fittings on it. It's a double barrel foot pump. There's an accurate pressure gauge on it. There's a tightening clip, which is convenient and fashionable. High quality inner duct in it. Anti-skid pedals, so your foot doesn't actually slip off the pedals when you're pressing the pedals. And you have reinforced beams, which are sturdy and durable on the product itself. There are some views of it folded away, and when it's up in its inflatable state, it folds away nicely, and that's the size of it, 11 inches by about 5 inches there when it's folded away nicely. And there again is another view of it when it's in use. It's a handy little product, light little product. It's not too heavy either, so it's easy to handle. Now, all these products are handy, useful little products to have in a car. You'd never know when you'd have to use them, so there's no harm to have them at all. Outside those few products, I suppose a person could always use a little torch as well. Like, you know, if you have a good mobile phone, you'd have a little torch there on that, so you wouldn't have to purchase a torch. And there's no harm to have a few high-vis jackets as well, in case you had to get out of the car at night time. They say every car should have maybe up to 2 high-vis jackets stored away in the boot or the trunk, whatever you want to call it, of the vehicle you're in. Now folks, that's the end of the video for this evening. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and click the like button just below this video, or you can maybe subscribe to our channel. We have some nice videos on driving on the channel. All the links to the different products I've discussed in this video will be in the description underneath the video, so you can have a look at them if you wish. So thanks for listening, folks, to the little video, and I hope it's been of some help to you. We'll talk later. Thank you. Bye.